everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be exploring what is coding. Over here we have a sample program, and there are two types of coding. The first type is coding in blocks, like here, and the second type is coding using text, like this. There are many different programming languages which are used for people to translate what they want for the program to do into computer language, which is called code. There are many different languages, including Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and many other different coding languages. You can't learn all of them since there are too many to learn. While coding, you need to follow 4 steps. The first step is to define a purpose. For example, this app is training the user how to fly a drone. The second step is to design the app. Basically, what will the UI, which is the user interface, which is basically what the person is seeing, look like. And the third step is to code the app. It gives the app functionality, and without the code, the UI would basically be a picture, and there wouldn't be anything to do. And even without code, the UI wouldn't exist because the UI uses the code to bring it to life, so you can see it. And the fourth step is to test the app. Usually, people would have beta testers, which basically test the app while it's still in development, or it's still in the first stages of development. Test the app so they can see if there's any bugs, if there's any issues, or something like that. And bugs basically mean, since you don't like bugs crawling through your food, or you don't like bugs chewing through your information, bugs are basically just issues in the code. So beta testers will report any bugs they find, any issues they find, and what they liked. You can also test the app yourself, and those are a few ways to test the app. So today we went over 2 things. The first thing is what is coding and programming, and the second thing is the 4 steps to create any program, any app, or any game. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Remember to hit the bell icon for notifications too. Also, I have a blog at blogofayan.wordpress.com, so be sure to check that out. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.